Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe.
Chapter 4, Transcendental Knowledge, Divya Gnanam. Test 14. Namam karmani lippanti name karma pale spruha iti mam yo bijanati karma birnasa bhadyate. Activities do not taint me, nor do I desire the fruits of action. One who knows me in this way is never bound by the karmic reactions of work. ना तो कर्म मुझे दूषित करते हैं और न ही मैं कर्म के फल की कामना करता हूँ। जो मेरे इस स्वरूप को जानता है वहाँ कभी कर्म फलों के बंधन में नहीं पड़ता। कर्मలు నన్ను అంటవు, నేను కర్మఫలముల యందు కూడా ఆసక్తుడును కాదు. ఎవరైతే నన్ను ఈ విధముగా తెలుసుకుందురో వారు కర్మబంధములలో చిక్కుకోరు.
Practical applications. The Supreme Lord is the creator of living beings. The living beings can do anything as per their free will, and they are entangled in the material world for self-gratifications. Their activities do not affect the Supreme Lord. He is just an observer, and he will neither interfere in the man-made activities nor they will interfere him. He will never be entangled in the material world or spiritual world like humans in the material world. He is full of appliances. He does not expect anything from living beings. In fact, he will protect like a father and a mother in the house. He who understands this truth, he will not be affected by the material world, though residing in it. His association and thinking about him will make the devotees away from the Maya. One who knows this truth is said to be a liberated soul. प्रभुपाद की जय. हरे कृष्णा.